Today is the 10th of March 2028, and welcome to 2023. This is an exciting video because it's the launch of Intuitus.ai, our first SaaS company that we've properly actually launched. This has been a long ongoing plan. You may have forgotten, but this YouTube channel, the entire reason we started it was to build an audience to allow us to market our SaaS company too. I never expected it to be Intuitus. I wasn't planning on this when I started. I just knew I wanted to create a SaaS company. So here we are on launch. It's been insane. It's been an insane road. Right now, version 1 of Intuitus. It is an AI appointment setter chatbot designed to book appointments on autopilot for agencies. Those are marketing agencies that actually book sales calls with appointment setters or VAs. Intuitus works 24/7. It has 100% uptime. It's a significant cost saving, and it can actually handle objections and is trained to be a sales bot and actually book calls. But more importantly, the results we're getting are insane. The booking rates we're getting are insane. We've already had an influx of customers already. We've only been going for 2 or 3 days. We've had marketing agencies sign up all of their clients. It has been a roller coaster of a few days. We've had issues on our website trying to get things up and running because we weren't expecting the launch to be so successful, but it was. And it's just going to keep going. I can see how far this is going to go, and the results are just insane already. So in 5 years' time, God knows what will have happened. You never know. Maybe we'll hit 500 customers. That, I think, is the ultimate goal. Right now that comes out to about $80,000 a month in recurring revenue, which would be insane for a SaaS product. I would love for people to keep using it for 12, 24 months. So that's the ultimate goal. The product is already insanely powerful. I've got so many plans of different features to add to it, but I think the next steps are very much going to be hiring a powerful team. As you know, we built the product completely from scratch. I designed and developed the entire product. I've started the marketing. I've done all the sales calls. I've done everything, the customer support, the whole thing. So it's very quickly going to start running away with me. So we will have to hire a developer very, very soon. And hopefully in the next 5 years, we'll bring on some investors. Maybe we've even sold the company. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm so excited. And more importantly, we're now going to actually promote it through this YouTube channel. And the most exciting thing is we're going to be sharing the journey from start to finish over the next 5 years on this YouTube channel, me building this new business. I want to share how many updates I release, customers' opinions. So over the next few years, this is going to be an ongoing journey. I want to create an ongoing series of me building this product, making it grow further, and just bringing all of you other viewers along with us on the journey. So that I'm quite excited for. I think for me this is very exciting because this is something I've always wanted to do. I've had this plan for a very, very long time. It's just been so many other things have got in the way. So yeah, the fact we finally made it is kind of insane. At least we've started it. God knows what will happen, but I think as well, for anybody else who's out there that's watching this video, hopefully it serves as some motivation that if you have an idea or a dream or something to go for it. It may work, it may not, but at least you tried, and that's what we're doing with this. So I don't know, 5 years time, will we have made it? Will we have made it work? Will we have not? If we didn't, I hope we at least gave it our best shot. But yeah, I don't know, I've got nothing else to say. So I guess I'll talk to you in 5 years time.